Hello students and welcome to Vocabulary 2. I am looking forward to learning with you. My name is Carrie Patton. I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks in this online course. I wanted to show you a couple things on our home page. These are the module tabs. You will find all your information here. Before the course starts, you can look into the course info and the resources. You can find a lot of helpful information there. How to contact me, how to customize your Canvas settings. In addition, if you need any help or resources from the school, you can find that help here and how to contact the information. When you want to navigate back, you can always navigate through this home page, and it gets you to the start of the class where you can continue to navigate through each module. A new module will open every Monday morning, and all of the assignments for that week are due Sunday night of that module week at 11:59 p.m. You will find announcements here at the top. I will be putting announcements in there as the course goes on. Very important information to help you move along and to keep you updated on holidays or if anything changes within the course. You do have a syllabus quiz due the end of next week, which is our first week in the module. You can start looking at that starting today, a few days before the class opens. So please go ahead and go through, get yourself familiar with Canvas, and I look forward to seeing you and learning more with you as we move through the class.